a number of initial public offerings scheduled to list on the ASX this week. Some of the public offerings belong to companies which deal in silica, cobalt and gold exploration. However, listing dates are indicative and investors should directly contact the company for complete clarity. Meanwhile, in 2021, more than 240 companies launched their IPOs, making it a record year for public listings. First, let's take a look at two IPOs that have already listed this week. Starting with Solstice Minerals. They demerged from OreCorp in April 2022. These Western Australia assets comprise of 4 projects: Yarrie, Kalgoorlie, Untitled and Ponton. The assets are prospective for gold and nickel. Solstice Minerals was listed on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 2nd of May. The company raised $5 million at 20 cents a share. The company plans to identify additional regional greenfield targets with the proceeds. Now, the proceeds will be used by the company to carry out its activities, including drill coverage. Another company is Sarama Resources. Sarama is a West African gold explorer and developer. It has 2 projects, Senatora and the Kumandara, located in West Africa. Sarama was listed on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 2nd of May. The gold explorer raised $8 million at 20 cents a share. The company plans to identify additional regional greenfield targets with the proceeds. Let's look at a few IPOs which are scheduled to be listed on the ASX later this week. Equity Story Group is in the business of providing stock market trading advice, research and investor education services. The company reported a revenue of over $1.3 million in financial year 2021. Equity Story is scheduled to be listed on the Australian Stock Exchange on the 3rd of May at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The company has raised $4.5 million at 20 cents per share. Next is gold explorer Sierra Nevada Gold. They operate 5 gold projects in Nevada, which is the 4th largest mineral producing region globally. Nevada is the largest gold producing state in the United States. Sierra Nevada Gold is scheduled to be listed on the ASX on the 3rd of May. The company has raised $10 million at 50 cents a share. Now, according to the company's prospectus, Sierra has plans for an aggressive drilling program upon listing. Next, we have Cobra Resources. Now, Cobra was incorporated by New World Resources in May last year for the purpose of demerging New World's portfolio of cobalt assets into a new standalone ASX-listed entity. Cobra Resources is scheduled to be listed on the Australian Stock Exchange on the 4th of May. The company raised $8 million at 20 cents per share. Lastly, we have Chrysos Corporation, a gold mining analytics company which combines science and software to create technology solutions for the global mining industry. Chrysos Corporation is scheduled to be listed on the Australian Stock Exchange on the 6th of May. The company has raised 183.5 million shares at 6.5 cents per share. Certainly lots of IPO action on the ASX this week. Now, you can leave a comment below this video, you can share it with your friends, and you can also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel for kalkinemedia.